Well, hello everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Tonight we're going to do just a little quick update. We have been continuing to kind of work on this thing, backfilling and doing more dirt work. That's kind of boring, so I didn't really want to bore you with all of that stuff. But we have been doing that, kind of finishing up that final grade and doing some more backfilling around the outside perimeter just to shore that up a little bit since we had to bring it up so far. Just wanted to show you that beautiful sunset behind me. Really nice. Anyways, so as you can see, if I kind of show you that, you can kind of see that the cut bank is gone. That cut bank that was right behind me here, that's all gone. We kind of backfilled it up nice, took a lot of dirt to do that. The next couple of days are going to be pretty rainy. The next video we're going to go ahead and set the string line grade for the top of the forms, and then we're going to go ahead and square up the foundation. I'm going to show you guys a pretty good trick and an easy way to square the foundation up. That's not very difficult. A lot of people struggle with that. It's really not that hard. Doesn't really need to be. And so I'll show you an easy way to do that, and then we'll kind of set the grade for the forms on the whole thing, and then hopefully maybe we'll start cutting the forms and start hammering them in place. Like I said, it's supposed to rain the next 2 or 3 days around here, and as you can see, I've got a lot of dirt. The coyotes are going to visit us here in a second. You hear them? Probably not, but they're just right over that ridge. So anyways, that's what we'll do next time. And if the video is a little bit slow to come out, that's why, is because it's been raining on me and it's going to be a pretty muddy mess in here. But hopefully, cross your fingers, maybe it won't rain too much. We kind of need the moisture, so I'm not going to complain if we do get it, but it always seems to do that whenever you're trying to work in the dirt. It always seems to rain on you. So anyways, thanks for tuning in for this little update. I just wanted to touch base with you guys and let you know that we're still moving along. And if you're if you're first time viewer here, go ahead and subscribe. If you think you want to come along for this timber frame journey, be sure and hit that like button. It sure helps the channel, and we'll see you guys next time.